Some might argue that one of the most important things you can bring on a motorcycle ride are your tools. Be it just a day trip or cross-country trip. Tools can mean the difference between getting stranded and continuing your ride. In today's video, we're going to talk not so much about the tools themselves, but how to store those tools. So stick around, grab a beer, and let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Tech Tips Thursday. It's good. Today we're talking about tool bags. Now there's a lot of different kinds of bags. I've always opted for the tool rolls. I just feel they're more compact and you're able to get more in them. This is one I've been using for the past 5 years by a company called Pit Posse. It's held up pretty well, but as you can see, it's starting to kind of fall apart there. So it was time to start shopping for a new one. My biggest problem was size. I got quite a bit of tools here, and I was worried about them fitting in a case. So I looked at a couple of different options. Some were ridiculously expensive, like $150 to $200, which I couldn't see justifying. This one only cost me about $30, and it's lasted a long time. So it just didn't make sense to spend that much. Now, this tool bag pretty much lives on the bike. I get a lot of use out of it. I don't only use it when I'm on bike trips. I also use it at home whenever I'm working on the bike because I have all my motorcycle specific tools here. Oil changes, whatever maintenance I'm doing, I'm always using this tool bag. But like I said, it's seen better days and it was time to upgrade. So while searching, I came across a really nice bag by a company called Klim. I'm sure you guys know them. I've become a really big fan of them in the past, I'd say year and a half. I pretty much replaced half of my riding gear with them, and I've been very happy so far. So when I saw that they make a tool bag, I kind of jumped at the opportunity. Now, my biggest concern was, will it hold all my stuff? And we're gonna find out today. But this is the bag itself. Move this out of the way. This is the bag here. I like these little straps here that you can actually hold stuff under it, or you can tie it to stuff. It's got like almost like a leathery feel to it. I like the zipper. Klim usually has very good zippers. It's got a good pull here. Got space here. This opens up too. A couple of cargo nets here. And this is very similar to what I have here, which is that big pocket here that holds all the loose bits. So big question is, will everything fit? Let's try that first, and then we'll talk about the price. I think you'll be surprised at the price of this thing. So let's start moving everything over, see if it fits. Now, the only thing I haven't been able to fit here is my torque wrench, and this is something I don't take on trips, obviously. You don't usually need to torque things to spec. It's more for maintenance when I'm home. So yeah, that's gonna have to sit out. And now the big question, will it close? Huh? Would you look at that? It does close. And it actually, well, you can't see it now side by side because this is empty, but this was a lot bulkier with all the tools inside. So I guess because this is a little wider, it lets everything sit a little more flat, which I am very happy about. So in my book, this is a win. I did mention I was gonna talk about the price and that you'll be surprised. Klim's products are usually not cheap, but let's put it that way. While I love their products, I love the quality that goes into everything they make, their prices are usually up there. So when I saw this at the price, I thought it was a mistake. Let me double check the price. Okay, yeah, I was right. I wasn't sure about the price. I didn't want to give you guys the wrong price, but yeah, Klim tool bag, $19.99. Can't go wrong. I mean, I don't think there's a tool bag out there for $19.99, and when you put on a name like Klim, definitely not going to be at the $19.99 range. Now, obviously, time will tell on durability, how long it'll last, but Klim's known to make good quality products, so I'm pretty confident it's going to go a long way. And even if it doesn't, 20 bucks, not much of a loss, not a big loss. So I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in picking one up. This could also make a great gift for the holidays. Somebody you know is a biker needs a tool bag. And yeah, that's about it. Well, thanks for watching. If you got anything of value, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. And with that said, I'm Mike, Mr. and Mrs. Two Wheeler, and as always, we'll see you on the road.